Have you ever wondered why some people learn sewing so quickly, while others spend months or even years trying to improve but still feel stuck? Maybe you've bought a sewing machine. Maybe you've watched countless YouTube channels. Maybe you've even started sewing some few dresses. But somehow, sewing still feels confusing, frustrating, and overwhelming. If that's you, I want you to know something important. The problem is probably not that you are untalented. The problem is that most beginners are learning sewing the wrong way. Unfortunately, many people quit before they ever get good enough to enjoy it. In this video, I'm going to share the real reasons most beginners struggle to learn sewing, and more importantly, what you can do differently so that you can improve faster and enjoy the journey. So if you've ever felt frustrated with your sewing progress, keep watching, because this video might completely change the way you approach sewing. Hi, my name is Vivian and I'm your #1 sewing journey teacher, and here I share lessons, real experiences and strategies to help you in your sewing journey and business. So if you're new here, I say welcome. Do well to subscribe, and if you have been following me here, welcome back. So as you watch, please like the video, drop your comments in the comment section, and don't forget to share this video with your friends, okay? Please make sure you watch this video until the end. Yes, a lot of you like skipping videos, but watch until the end so that you can get all the information that you need, okay? And still more, if you haven't joined our free community where we share ideas, after watching this video, check the comment section or the description box. There will be a link there for you to join the group, and I'll see you there, okay? Now let's get right into today's topic. Reason number 1. Most beginners expect sewing to be very easy, okay? So one of the biggest mistakes beginners make is believing sewing should be easy. Maybe they watch experienced sewists on social media creating beautiful dresses in a few hours. Maybe they see someone effortlessly drafting patterns or making perfect stitches. What they don't see is the years of practice behind those skills. Now imagine someone learning to drive. Would you expect them to become expert drivers under 1 week? Of course not. Yet beginners expect themselves to sew perfect clothes after making just 1 or 2 projects. When the stitches aren't straight, when the fabrics won't cooperate, when the measurements come out wrong, they immediately think they are bad at sewing. But that's not true. They are simply experiencing what every beginner experiences. Yes. So I remember talking to a beginner who said, I have been sewing for 3 weeks and I still can't sew a zipper properly. And I laughed and told her, 3 weeks, not bad. You're still in the introduction stage, okay? Yes. The truth is that sewing is a skill. And like every other skill, it requires patience. Nobody becomes excellent overnight. No, nobody becomes expert overnight. Now, the solution is this. Stop measuring your progress against experts. Instead, compare yourself to who you were last month. Did your stitching improve? Are you understanding your machine better? Can you finish projects faster than before? If the answer is yes, you're growing, and that's what matters, okay? So now, reason number 2, they try to learn everything at once. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever opened YouTube looking for one sewing tutorial and ended up watching 10 completely different sewing videos? One video about sleeves, another about corset, another about pattern drafting, another about sewing bags, another about alterations. Before you know it, your head is spinning. So this is one of the biggest reasons beginners struggle. They are trying to learn everything at the same time. Sewing is a huge skill. There are many areas to learn: garment construction, pattern drafting, fabric knowledge, machine operation, alterations, finishing techniques, embroidery, and so much more. So trying to master all of them simultaneously is like trying to learn 10 languages at once. You end up being confused. Instead, focus on one thing at a time. For example, spend about 1 month learning pattern drafting, then move to basic garment construction, then learn sleeve, then learn collar, then learn fitting. One step at a time. A focused beginner often progresses faster than someone constantly jumping from one topic to another. Okay? Now, reason number 3, they spend more time watching than practicing. This one might hurt a little, yeah, but many people love sewing content. They watch tutorials every day. They save videos. They take screenshots. They join sewing groups. They collect information, but they hardly practice. Watching sewing is not the same as sewing. So let me repeat this. Watching sewing is not the same as sewing. Now imagine watching cooking videos every day, but never enter the kitchen. Would you become a great cook? No. The same applies to sewing. Your hands need experience. Your eyes need experience. Your brain needs experience. The real learning happens when you sit in front of your machine and start sewing. Even if you make mistakes, mistakes teach lessons that videos cannot. A beginner who practices for 30 minutes every day will usually improve faster than someone who watches tutorials for 3 hours daily without sewing. Okay? Now, what is the solution? Create a habit, even if it's only 20 minutes per day. Consistency beats intensity. Okay? Now, reason number 4, fear of making mistakes. This is a big one. Many beginners are afraid of ruining fabrics, afraid of wasting money, afraid of sewing something ugly, afraid of looking foolish. So what happens? They keep waiting until they are ready, waiting until they are good enough, waiting until they know more. But here's the truth. You don't learn sewing by avoiding mistakes. You learn sewing through mistakes. Okay? So every experienced sewist you admire today has made countless mistakes. They've cut fabrics incorrectly, sewn garments backwards, attached sleeves wrongly, used the wrong measurements, destroyed projects, and survived. I remember hearing a sewist saying she spent hours sewing a dress only to realize the back was in front and the front was in back. So can you see that? Now, can you imagine hours of work? Yet today, she's highly skilled. Why? Because she didn't quit. Mistakes are not evidence that you are failing. They are evidence that you are learning. The solution is simple. Give yourself permission to be a beginner. Beginners are supposed to make mistakes. Yes, that is part of the progress. Now, reason number 5, they skip the fundamentals. Most beginners want exciting projects. They want to sew beautiful gowns, stylish jackets, complex outfits. Nothing is wrong with that. But many skip the foundations, and that is where problem begins. Think of building a house. You don't start with the roof. You start with the foundation. In sewing, the foundation includes understanding your sewing machine, understanding threading correctly, basic stitching, fabric grain, seam allowances, pressing, measurements, and all that. These things may seem boring, but they are incredibly important. A person who understands sewing fundamentals can eventually sew almost everything. A person who ignores fundamentals will keep struggling no matter how many advanced tutorials they watch. Now, the solution: respect the basics. Okay? Master them. The basics are not slowing you down. They are speeding up your future progress. Yes. Now, reason number 6, they compare their beginning to someone else's middle. Social media has made comparison worse than ever. You see amazing outfits, perfect finishing, professional looking designs, and suddenly you start questioning yourself. Why don't my clothes look like that? Why am I not that good yet? What you don't realize is that the people you are comparing yourself to may have been sewing for years, some 5 years, some 10 years, or even 20 years. Yes, you're comparing your first chapter to their chapter 20. That is unfair. Now, imagine planting a seed today and becoming upset because it doesn't look like a giant tree tomorrow. Growth takes time. Every expert was once a beginner. Every skilled sewist once struggled with crooked seams. Every professional once made mistakes. Now, the solution: use other people's success as inspiration, not as a reason to criticize yourself. Let their journey motivate you, not discourage you. Reason number 7, they give up too soon. This is probably the biggest reason of all. Many beginners quit before they experience real improvement. Here's what usually happens. They start excited, buy materials, watch tutorials, practice for few weeks, encounter challenges, become frustrated, then quit. The sad part is that many people quit right before a breakthrough. Success in sewing is often closer than it appears. There comes a point where things suddenly start making sense. Your stitches improve, your confidence grows, your projects become clearer, you understand fabrics better, but you will never reach that point if you stop. Think about learning to ride a bicycle. Most people fall several times before they learn. Imagine quitting after the second fall. You would never discover what it feels like to ride confidently. The same is true in sewing. Persistence is often the difference between those who succeed and those who don't. So how can beginners learn sewing faster? Let me leave you with a practical roadmap. First, focus on one skill at a time. Don't overwhelm yourself. Second, practice consistently. Even 20 minutes makes a difference. Third, stop fearing mistakes. Mistakes are teachers. Fourth, learn the fundamentals thoroughly. Don't rush past them. Fifth, stop comparing yourself to experienced sewists. Focus on your progress. And finally, don't quit early. Give yourself enough time to grow, because sewing is not a talent that only a few people are born with. It's a skill, and skills can be learned. Okay? If you stay patient, stay consistent, and keep practicing, you will improve. Maybe not overnight, maybe not next week, but eventually you would look back and realize how far you've come. The thing that once seemed impossible will become normal. The projects that once intimidated you will become easy. And the confidence you're looking for today will become part of who you are. So if you've been struggling with sewing, don't give up. Your progress may be slower than you hoped, but that doesn't mean that you're not progressing. Keep learning, keep practicing, keep showing up. Yes, because every great sewist started exactly where you are right now. And if they could learn, so can you. Hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section, what has been your biggest sewing struggle as a beginner? I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone who needs it. Also join our free community where we share ideas. I would love to see you there. Be blessed.